Hey y'all, today we are taking a look at CXone and how to fix the no mic or speaker connected error. Let's get into it. So to start off, you are going to want to make sure that both your mic and speakers or headset are working correctly. If they aren't, then I'll go ahead and post a card in the top that you can work through to make sure your audio is working. But if you know your speakers and headset or microphone are working and you're still getting this error, then we can proceed with the video. So what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right and we're going to head over to Manage Extensions. We're going to remove the CXone extension. That is now removed. And then we are going to want to come down to Delete Browsing Data. Go for all time. That's going to be best, and make sure you have browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files selected. Go ahead and select Delete Data. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and close out of Chrome, open Chrome back up, and we are going to want to reinstall that extension. So go to the three dots in the top right, Extensions, and visit Chrome Web Store. So we can come over here and type in CXone, go down to the Web RTC extension, and select Add to Chrome. Add extension. Perfect. The extension has been added. Now we do need to make some other changes, so let's go ahead and pin the CXone agent. We are going to select it and then go to Options and Enable. You should now be all good to go. Go ahead for good measure and just restart Chrome one more time, and you can proceed to signing into CXone, and your issue should now be resolved. You should not be receiving that same error message. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.